Let's talk about a simple, everyday action that holds an absolutely surprising secret to your health and how long you live. And no, it's not about what you eat or how much you sleep. It's about the power you literally hold in your own two hands.
What if the strength of your handshake can actually predict how long you're going to live? I know, it sounds a little out there, right? Like something from a sci-fi movie, but the research on this is surprisingly solid.
Okay, so the science is actually pretty clear and kind of shocking. It turns out a weak grip is one of the single most powerful predictors of an early death, even more so than some of the things we constantly track, like our blood pressure. This is about way more than just being able to open a stubborn jar. So let's dig into this. How on earth can something as simple as your grip strength be such a powerful window into our overall health? What's really going on here?
You know, we're also used to tracking things like our blood pressure, our weight, our cholesterol, and those are important for sure. But grip strength, well, that gives us a totally different, more complete picture. It's a direct measure of our body's overall muscular strength and vitality. It's like a real-time snapshot of how well we're aging.
All right, so if a weak grip is a bad sign, what do we do about it? The great news is you don't need some fancy gym membership or complicated equipment. The answer is an ancient, and I mean incredibly simple exercise called the farmer's walk. The solution is the farmer's walk. And really, it all comes down to carrying heavy things for a little while. I mean, think about it. If you've ever had to lug 2 heavy grocery bags in from the car, guess what? You've already done a version of one of the most powerful exercises for longevity out there.
But this is where it gets really fascinating. This isn't just about building bigger forearms or anything like that. The real magic, the part that actually impacts how you age and how sharp your mind stays, that all happens inside your brain.
Get this, a study from Harvard found that this exact type of exercise, carrying a heavy load, triggers this incredible hormonal response in your body. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. You're not just strengthening your grip, you are actively growing a younger brain and building stronger bones at the exact same time. So what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's a protein called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. And honestly, the easiest way to think about it is like Miracle-Gro for your brain. It's this amazing stuff that helps your existing brain cells survive and even encourages new ones to grow.
So let's connect the dots. When you do an exercise that spikes your BDNF, what's actually happening? Well, you're literally kickstarting neurogenesis. That's the creation of brand new brain cells. Wild, right? At the same time, you're improving your bone density, and at a cellular level, you are pushing back against the aging process. It's this unbelievable chain reaction, all from one simple movement.
Okay, so we know the exercise and we know the science. But there is a secret to doing it right. There's a specific detail in the technique that truly unlocks these powerful brain-building effects. See, you could just walk around with weights all day long and you might completely miss out on the main benefits. Because the real magic isn't just in the walking, it's in the stopping. Here's exactly how to do it. First, you grab a weight in each hand that feels challenging, but you can still handle it, okay? Then, you take 5 steps forward. And here's the crucial part. You pause, stop completely, just for a brief moment. Then, you repeat the cycle. 5 more steps, another pause, that's it.
So why the pause? What's so special about that little stop? Well, that moment, that re-engagement of all your muscles to hold that weight steady, that's the trigger. It sends this powerful signal to your body to release that flood of beneficial hormones, including that all-important BDNF we just talked about. The pause is everything.
You know, it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If something as ridiculously simple as carrying a heavy load can literally grow our brains and reverse key markers of aging, what other simple, overlooked actions in our daily lives hold that same surprising power? That's definitely something to think about.